We've been asked many times about PowerChain's consensus algorithm. Our consensus algorithm is known as Delegated Proof of Power. Its properties are fast blocks, instant finality, incentivized decentralization, and a linear chain, no forks and no branches. Now, PowerChain achieves those via two methods. First is the approval of blocks. When a block is created, it doesn't get instantly added to the PowerChain. It must first be distributed to all the validator nodes, and they must all check it, do their primary checks, secondary checks, and if everything is good, they would sign the block, then distribute these signatures across each other. Once a block has 2/3 of the voting power on the network approving it, it is put to PowerChain. This voting power approval is what gives the block its instant finality. So once it joins the blockchain, it's already backed by 2/3 of the network, and there's no need to wait for any block approvals. We can immediately start using it. Another beautiful thing about the consensus is the distribution of rewards. When a block is created, 50% of its transaction fees goes to the validator node that created it, and the other 50% to all the other validator nodes, because everyone participated in approving that block. The beautiful thing about this is it ensures an equilibrium in voting power even when there is no delegators. And to give you an example of that, a few weeks back, we had a reset of our testnet. So we started back from block 0, and we had a validator node that held 99.99% of the power on PowerChain. After 2 weeks, and without any delegators, only thanks to this distribution of block rewards, this node's voting power, or this node's claim of the network, went down from 99.99% to only 65%. And every single day, every single block, this validator node's power goes lower until an equilibrium is created between this node and all the other participating nodes, making sure that PowerChain maintains a high standard of decentralization with delegators or even without delegators.